we are very happy to be launching a brand of MS Life, which was launched way back in 2011. Though our factory has a history of starting with a family in 1960s, we have been manufacturing steel. There have been always a niche of nationalism, Indianness in our product. And we have been working quite regularly to be a step ahead and innovate on our product, which would help humanity go a step forward. Therefore, we call ourselves a Humanity Plus company. And therefore, we launch a brand called 600 Plus. Now, 600 Plus doesn't mean that it is 600 Plus grade. 600 itself is 600 Plus grade, which we were the first person in India to launch. This is a step ahead, wherein this product not just guarantees strength of the steel, it also guarantees safety. Everyone build house for being and living in a safe environment. However, after this COVID or tsunami or earthquakes, we have noticed that still that redefinition of being safe house is not there. It is safe only for a certain amount of time. Therefore, we went ahead and launched India's first, or I would say world's very few companies are manufacturing earthquake resistant steel. And this steel is having a higher UTS by tensile strength above 1.25, which ensures that it will take all the shocks or more energy when there is an earthquake or tsunami over a yield point. So this is a highly revolutionary technology, and which will ensure that each and every person who is building their house would be absolutely safe using the product of our kind of steel. So I'm pretty happy that everyone today joined in, and also grateful to our consultants from world over and our excellent R&D laboratory, who has been very agile in developing a product which is step ahead compared to any other people in the market. So we say we are competitors to ourselves, and we are competing ourselves to launch and be better than what we were yesterday. We thank you all for coming here and making this product launch a grand success. Thank you. Brand is only the few brand in India which has been approved by almost all government agencies, which is testimonial for our kind of quality we manufacture. We have not went for any kind of subsidy from any of the government while manufacturing this product. It is wholly and fully developed with the help of external consultants. The product which we have launched, MS Life 600 earthquake resistant steel.
What are the expansion plans? That's my last.
We are looking for a grand project at Mantralayam, Kurnool, where we have got sanction from the AP government also. We'll be launching a big integrated steel plant there, apart from existing facilities in Telangana, which would be an ideal place to serve across South India.